Hi, this is me, Amal Hermuz from Vivyan Hair Design Spain. I'm gonna show you now today. We put rollers in my hair and I was like 15 minutes down the machine and now it is really totally dry 100%. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the rollers. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So we start little bit, slowly down here. Just little bit, take the rollers, you see, and turn them back the way they were. So see, very beautiful, very nice. Slowly, yeah, you see. So we're gonna start the second. You see, beautiful, very nice rolls. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna start now here the last point. I wish you'll see it because there is a mirror. It's very easy, simple to take the rollers. See, very easy, very nice. So take the roller and turn the hair back. See, take the rollers. As you see, very nice, lovely coat. See, just take the roller and turn the hair down. It's very nice, beautiful. I wish you can see it. There is a mirror here. I sit here exactly, especially so you can see what's happening with my hair. Yeah. Beautiful, nice curl here. Not too curly, that's why I use for the big ones. So I don't have too much curly hair. Very nice, beautiful, lovely movement. You see? Okay. This is the result of my lovely curly hair. I wish you like it. Yes. So you can brush the hair or play just with your hand in the hair. So to be honest, I don't want to brush my hair. This is the brush, you can brush it with this one. But I don't brush my hair. I like it to have too much curl inside and beautiful. Very nice. So what to do is just put some little bit hair of lacquer and keep the curl as wild as possible. Very nice, beautiful curled hair. Yeah, I wish you like it. This is me, Amal Hermuz from Vivyan Hair Design. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.